So we will go and see how we will completely close this quality notification. What are the other options that we have in the quality notification? Then we will see about the procurement controls, how we will do in the incoming inspection. Okay, so now let me go into the system. So let me open the same quality notification that we processed yesterday. Not an issue. So QM 10, you can go to QM 10 to see all the notification that is available. Okay.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
So I put type F2 here because our notification type is F2, right? This is the list. Actually, it's a list of this transaction. It will give you the list of quality notification available for F2 type, and you can filter based on the date. Execute. So it will show you your recent notification, right? So your recent quality notification was 2023. So in this notification, yesterday we processed transfer posting to unrestricted, right? So by this, whether this notification is completed, no, it is not completed yet. Whenever you create a notification, you have to complete it. Okay, so then only that notification will be closed. When you will complete, you analyze the defect, you take the root cause, you close that defect. Then once all activities completed, you will update the cause, and then you will complete this notification. That is when the notification or NC process is completed for this particular defect. I haven't shared my screen. One moment. I already shared. Okay. I am sharing already. How about others? Okay. So hope everybody can see my screen. If not, let me know. Okay. So yeah, I was telling about the completion of this notification. So once you complete it, or once you taken the decision that okay, what you are going to do with that defect and how you are going to solve, you will solve that. Then you will update the cause code, and then you will close this notification. Okay, so that is where this notification will be completed. Like, so if I go to items here where I can see my defect, right? So this was the defect that I created. Now against this defect, let's say I have completed all my tasks and I have resolved this defect. Now I can update my cause code here. Okay, so what was the cause for this defect? Because always identifying a cause is very important for any defects, right? So because that will help you to prevent the defect in the future. So you can update the cause code for anyone's reference here. So what was the cause when this defect identified? So you can go here again for cause. Also you can update the codes. This codes also coming from your codes and code groups. If you have seen in the codes and code groups, there is a type 5 that is for cause codes. Okay, so here you will have a lot of cause codes. So you
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
can select any one from here. Let's say it's a design issue. So I'm just selecting design issue as a cause code. If you want to detail description of this, what was the design issue, so you can use the details. You can enter here with 40 characters. Then if it's still not visible, like I said, you can use this long text. Okay, once you assign this cause code, It's all done. Just go to task and see all tasks are completed. If all tasks are not completed, system will not allow you to save it. Okay. See, for example, let me save this and come back. Just entering here. Okay. Yeah. So if I go to task now, see, it is one task is there in TSRL status. One task is already completed. TSCO means task completed. TSRL means task released. Okay. So now this task is released. That means this task should be completed before I complete notification, correct? Because it's logical as well. Because you assign some task to somebody and that guy has not completed his task yet. And before that, you cannot close your notification. So how system restricts this? If suppose somebody not closed their task, so system will allow to complete still or system will not allow to complete. Let's see what system does. So if I click on complete here, see system is giving message that the function you selected cannot be carried out because of the status. Let me see what is the status. So it is saying that outstanding stars are still there. Okay, so you cannot complete it. So that means you have to complete your task. So how to complete the task? If somebody not completing, as a coordinator, I can also complete this. How I will do this? Select this one. In the bottom, there is two flag. One is for release, the other one is for complete. So you have to use this complete flag and see now the status is updated as TSCO, right? So now we'll just save this first. Sorry. So again, go inside. So now you can complete. Okay. So click on complete. Now it is saying you that error has gone. Now it is asking whether you want to complete this as internal origin or external origin. What is internal origin? If the defect is made internally, then it is internal origin because we created this defect as a supplier related defect. F2 indicates supplier related defect that you can see here, right? So supplier is external person, so system is automatically proposing that it is an external origin issue. Okay, it's not internally originated issue. So now you might decide that okay, no, actually the material was bought from supplier but we made some issue internally. Okay, so if that is the case, still you can change this and continue, or if you feel that yes, it is supplier issue only, then just continue.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Okay, now you see your notification is completed. Okay, and if you see your notification status here, notification completed, all tasks completed, ATCO, right? So if I go and try to process this now, what happens? Okay, you're saying it is completed. If I process, would like to process whether it will allow me or not. So here you see notification is completed. You can only be displayed. It is opening the notification only in display mode. It is not allowing you to change in the first place. Okay. So the completed notification system is giving message that you don't edit. It's only will be available for display. Okay. So if there is some situation that, okay, though it is completed, I would like to edit it because I want to add some more information. Okay, by mistake I completed it. Now I want to add some more task, or I want to reopen this. This defect is not resolved yet. So how you do that, right? So you can go to more